The market eases off the gas but doesn't fully pull back as it drifts down throughout the day. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market moved down today with no real conviction as the bears were unable to break any major support levels, hitting 45.75 where the bulls stepped in and immediately pushed it back over 4600. Now we have to wait and see if the bears will have conviction today to try to start this pullback or if the bulls want to push it higher. I'll get into all that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Before we jump into the chart, guys, another great day in our trading room. As you can see from these comments, guys are doing really well in there in both mine and PT's room. We'd love to have you in there so you can make some money with us. You can find out about it at the end of the video. Okay, now let's jump into the charts and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1 hour futures chart for the S&P 500. You can see that they kind of just drifted it down here. Did not even approach the 236 at 45.3975. So a very mild pullback today, and then they bounced it up at the close and are bouncing it a little more here after hours. So what we're really looking for here is this going to be an A down, B up, and then C down to the 236 area, okay, for the A wave of the pullback? So it'd be A, B, C down for A, and then a B wave bounce, and then C down towards the pivot? Or was this just kind of a drift down here, and now we're headed back up higher as the bulls push? So the key for this is going to be this bounce and how high it goes. If they're able to take out 46.1775, so in essence 46.18, if they're able to take out 46.18, then it becomes more likely that we will push higher and make a new high, as the 764 retrace would have broken off of this low that they made yesterday. Okay, so that's going to be our key level to the upside is 46.18. If they are above that, then we look higher towards the 1618 fib at 46.40 as our next target. If they cannot push above the 764 here at 46.1775, then we would look for a C wave down towards this 236 fib, okay, at 43 or 45.39, and that would be our A wave down. So it would be an A, B, C move down to the 236 fib for A. Remember, each wave breaks into a subwave of itself. So an ABC movement, in A, it breaks into 3 subwaves, a B breaks into 3 subwaves, and then the C wave is 5 waves. So we would look for this to be ABC down of A to that 236 retrace at 45.39. From there, we'd look for a B wave bounce up, and then C down toward that pivot, with our targets being most common, the 44.83 area, which is the 382 retrace. And if that doesn't hold, our next target down would be 44.37 at the 50% retrace. And really, we want that to hold, as it is the top of the pivot, and the 50% retrace is a common target for a wave 4. And when it breaks, it is not a good sign for the bullish move up. But our line in the sand is still the 46.39, which is the 764 fib, which was the top of the old pivot before we moved it up. Okay, so again, over 46.18, and we look higher towards 46.40 plus. If they keep it under 46.18 and start to move down in a C wave, we would look for a 45.40 target for the 236 retrace for the A wave, then a B wave bounce up, and then C down toward either 44.83 or 44.37, with our line in the sand being that 43.69 area. Okay, over on the NASDAQ, very similar setup. They drifted it down today and are now bouncing up. Okay, if they push over 15.215, okay, then it's very likely they're going to go take out this high and move higher toward the 2.0 at 15.309 plus. All right, and if they can stay under 15.215, then we would look for the C wave down towards the 236 here at 14.847 to make our A wave down. Then we would look for a B wave bounce up, and then C down towards 14.8583 as our 382 and our most common target, and that's the top of the pivot basically. And then the bottom of the pivot is the 50% retrace here at 14.370. That's our line in the sand for the NASDAQ. We want it to hold that 50% retrace here. So if it does break 14.370, that is not a great sign for the bullish move up. Okay, so again, above 15.215, if they're above that, they can push higher up towards 15.309 plus. And if they're below that 15.215 level, we are looking for a C wave down here towards 14.847, which would complete wave A. and then a B wave bounce up, and then a bigger C wave down towards either 14,583 or 14,370, with that 14,370 being our line in the sand. All right, guys, so I know that Elliott Wave Theory can be very intimidating for people and very hard to understand, but it is so effective and so great. I really need and want people to understand it because my goal here is to help you be better traders. Now, while it does take time and practice to learn Elliott Wave Theory, you do have a great resource in myself that will be glad to help you along. I do these daily videos for you as a snapshot in time to kind of give you an idea of what the market is doing on a day-to-day basis. But if you want somebody to do Elliott Wave for you and give you all the trade setups and everything you need to succeed in the stock market, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. Okay, there's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it'll take you right over to the website and check out our membership plans area. We have 2 amazing plans and they both come with a 7-day free trial. And that's because I want you guys to test drive it, make sure you love it, make sure it's everything you want it to be and you understand it and you get all your questions answered before you ever pay a penny. Okay, you saw what the guy said at the beginning of the video. There's a whole bunch more down here. I share my testimonials every video because I want you guys to succeed and make money and be better traders. Our first room is my Invest with Jacob room. In there, you get all of my real-time market updates, including all of the key levels, support, and resistance zones that people trade off of very successfully. You get all of my buy and sell alerts. And in this room, we do swing trading, which can last from a few days up to a few months. So we don't trade quite as often as day trading rooms. And we only trade the SPY and the QQQ. We also answer all of your Elliott Wave questions in that room so that you can be successful on your own. Now, if you're looking for individual stocks as well as day trading type trades, then you're going to want to check out PT's Throne Room. PT is one of the best traders I've ever been around. He has a very unique trading style. His reduced risk binary options method is absolutely outstanding. It's something you kind of have to see to understand how powerful it is and how successful it is. They killed it again today. And in his room, you get everything in my room, as well as his reduced risk trading style, individual stocks, day trading, and the access to the mind of a man who crushes the market. Okay, so 7-day free trial on each. I want you to try it and love it. We'd love to have you in there, guys, so we can make some money together. All right, key takeaways for today. For the ES, or the S&P 500, we are looking to see if they can keep it under 46.18. If they do that, then we would look for a move down towards the 236 at 45.40 to complete wave A, then a B wave bounce, then C down towards the 44.83 to 44.37 levels. We would like those to hold, but our line in the sand is 43.69. Okay, if they can push it above 46.18, then they look to push higher up towards this 46.40 level or higher. On the NASDAQ, similar type of setup. Okay, they have the pullback here, and now we're looking at 15,215 as the key level. If they go above that, then it's very likely they push over this high up towards 15,309 plus. However, if they can stay under that level, we would look for the C wave down to 14,847 to complete wave A B wave bounce up, and then C down towards 14,583 or the line in the sand area at 14,370. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.